Hello friends and strangers, I'm your host the Rat King, and today I'm going to start and hopefully finish changing the head gasket on this here Honda. I hope I finish it today because it might rain. Hope I get it done before then, or it doesn't rain. It might not rain. We'll see. Anyways, yeah, it's got a leaky head gasket that sometimes shoots smoke out the side. It's pretty awesome. This is a terrible idea. Let's see if I can show you the leaky head gasket. I'm gonna turn it on, and maybe it'll have a puff of smoke come out, so, you know. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that super well, but there's a puff of smoke coming out the side there. So yeah, I'm gonna be changing the head gasket. Oh, and also the rocker cover gasket, and some other things in there, just to make it leak a little bit less, hopefully. So first I'm gonna put it on the center stand, then drain the oil, and then after that I'll start taking it apart. Jeez. I did it. All right. It's pretty dark looking. There we go. Okay. This is weird. I got all those bolts loosened, but one of them, well, I'll just show you what happens. This one right here. When I start loosening it, it goes a little, but it springs back. I don't know what the heck's going on there. I'm gonna go look and see if there's anything special about that bolt in the manual, so whatever. Okay, that bolt doesn't seem to be any different than the others. It's just doing something weird. Maybe it's like really stretched or something, I don't know. I'm gonna find out though. I'm gonna loosen that sucker, so I'll let you know if it explodes. Good Lord. This does not look good. It's just... ugh. I know. All right. Lovely. Okay, I've been at this for like 10 minutes. No, more than that, like 20 minutes trying to get this stupid header off. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. That was possibly the most difficult thing I've ever done in my entire life. Well, something like that. Seriously though, that thing was on there. Yeah, so I got the headers off. Gotta get the carburetors off and then the cylinder head off. Hopefully. Alright, after much effort, I can now see the pistons. Right there. Pretty neat. I suppose I shouldn't spin that thing. And I suppose this is probably not an approved method for holding your cam chain, but whatever. Alright, here's all the new stuff I'll be putting on it. New head gasket, new exhaust gaskets, rocker box gasket, new intake boots, and these bolts are what keep the rocker box on, or the rocker cover on the bike, and they got these rubber boots on them. These are new ones, which were very hard to find. It took me a while. So as time goes by, the rubber boots on these things wear down and then it doesn't clamp the rocker box on as well. Yeah, let's just put this thing back together. Hello guys, it's the next day. As you can probably tell, it's light again. I wasn't able to finish all the work yesterday. I got all the engine back together. Not all of it did I get on camera because it was dark and whatnot. But I just needed to get the carburetors and the exhaust in, basically, and one side cover. And then it should be good to go. Alright, at long last, the Honda is back together. Unless I'm forgetting something, but I don't think I am. Let's go see if she'll start up. I got oil in there and everything, so, you know, moment of truth. Alright, well, it's running. There's a sort of a clicking, maybe a popping sound. It's probably the exhaust leaking or the cam chain tension. The exhaust leaking is kind of inevitable because I didn't put new gaskets in there and I don't really care too much because it ain't gonna make it super loud. The other thing would be the cam chain tension, which I can adjust fairly easily. I'm just gonna take a quick lap around, warm up the engine and the oil and all that, and then adjust the cam chain, so we'll see how this goes, eh? I was just about to hop on and go around and I realized there's one thing I forgot to put back on. The shift lever. So I'll go grab that and slap it on and then we should be good to go. I don't have any extra bolts or anything, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. All right, I just went for a quick lap just around the cul-de-sac, and yeah, it's working. And the head didn't pop out the side, you know, the leak there didn't shoot smoke out the side, so that's nice. Looks like this was a successful mission, though there is now an exhaust leak, but I don't really care. Yeah, sounds good. It'll probably be leaking a lot less oil from now on, so that'll be cool. I might not need so much stop leak. Probably won't get that sponsorship, but you know. Anyways, yeah. It has been quite an adventure, so thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.